What's up, YouTube? Man, listen, I'm just proud of you guys, man. I can't find the words to sum it up better than that. To see the way some of you are navigating through a stock market crash, and I'm still getting the same level of text messages from you guys winning or figuring things out. I'm still getting the same amount of emails because I've been doing this a while, guys, and I see the fall off. Okay, I see the fall off when this period is upon us, whenever it happens, whatever year we might be in. So I got my 2020 cohort, I got my 2021 cohort, I got my 2022, 2023, 2024, and now you guys, man. And just the level of growth that I see across the board with each and every one of you. I text and talk to you guys all day, every day. So not everything is necessarily a win, but in addition to the winning, the lessons that I see and hear encourages me. Listen, as always, guys, I got a jam-packed video. Class will be in session today, so please keep it locked. Please make sure to like, subscribe, help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Man, I'm coming right out the gate. I got to love on some folks, and we kicking it off with Reggie. He titled this Discipline. Coach, I hope this message finds you. I've been reflecting on the crucial role of patience in trading and how avoiding overtrading can increase my chances of getting to 100K. Guys, I know y'all heard of Gillian Wallow, $1 million worth of game, but Reggie just gave y'all $1 million worth of game. Everything he said, his whole first bar is $1 million worth of game. I've been doing this a long time, and people be looking for the next hot stock, the next shiny object. But the way he put it is what it's all about. It's about patience in this game, guys, and it's about avoiding over trading. If you can do those two things, you can hit 100K in the stock market. Not rushing in right at 9:30, getting caught up by the trick, trap, and frustrate crew, for example. That leads to so many losses for people that you could have just avoided altogether by taking coach advice and waiting the first 30 minutes. Because at 10 o'clock, you got the levels established now. You can see where they want to play for the range to start the morning. Okay, let's get back in here. He said, I keep smacking myself every time I jump in before the first 30 minutes is up, and I draw down, but I'm learning. And it's a marathon, so you guys will learn. You're going to bump your head. Hopefully coach's voice is always in your ear, because I pound these messages home every day. He said, I did make it out the market this morning up 1,700. Look at this, 1,700 in the morning. He got up in and got up out of there, and I love it. He said, do you have any technical analysis books? Absolutely, Reggie. Guys, if you want to level up your technical analysis, you got a book called The Technical Analysis for Dummies or Charts for Dummies. Try both of those too. It's two separate books, okay? Start with those. Once you buy those or even Google them, you're going to see the other recommended books on technical analysis. Grab those too, okay? Reggie, phenomenal job. Now this one is from Ina Robinson. She said, first win on my own. I love this. When you guys, I'm just here to teach you how to fish. Yes, I'm going to hold your hand and walk alongside you, but ultimately I want to teach you how to fish. Listen to this. She said, hey coach, just want to thank you. I've been watching videos and taking notes. I'm still green and learning, but today I took a chance and put your teachings to the test. Please put my teachings to the test. The market has been very volatile. Yes, it has, which gave me more fear on entering positions. But today I saw Nvidia at the start of what looked like to be 3 no limit soldiers. I switched to the 1 minute chart and took my first entry at 110 call for $331. I watched it climb to 112. Then I saw what appeared to be the start of 3 green soldiers to the downside, and I got up out of there and sold my call at 431. I love this. Is flawless execution, and she's a newbie. And guess what? What makes her more phenomenal than most people? She's doing it in a stock market crash. So this is why Coach don't be accepting no excuses from you guys. We got brand new people. We got people that taking their first trade ever, and they're doing it in a stock market. It ain't like this is a easy market that the stock just going up, up, up every day. You guys got to watch for the bull trap. You guys got to avoid the trick, trap, and frustrate crew. You guys got to avoid Donald Trump texting. You got to avoid Elon Musk tweeting. Guys, it's a lot to have to juggle, okay? She said, now I thought about going in on a put, but decided not to. Took my profits and ended on a good positive day. Tomorrow's another day, God willing. This single mom and family caregiver thanks you. I feel like I'm on my way to creating a long-lasting legacy for my son. All glory to God. Yes, yes, yes. All glory to God. All glory to God. Hey, Dinah, if you see this, Coach just want to say major salute. Now listen, guys, today I got this lesson for you, and I want to bring this back out because you need to see and understand, no matter what they're doing. Everybody look at the green chart. If they can't break the 50% move of a boom boom candle, a power bar, your play is going to continue in that direction. People have been asking me a lot, Coach, how do I know you teaching us the bull trap, but how do I know when it's going to come down? Study your candles. So if you're trading and you're not looking at the candle and you don't have your charts pulled up, guys, you're borderline gambling. Okay, I need you. The money is in the charts. Everything that I do, it comes from the chart. I'm not guessing. I'm not gambling. I can speak with so much confidence and hit my level spot on because I got the chart mastered to a T. Okay, everybody look at the green candle. Okay, look in the very middle. The line across the middle is the 50% mark. The very top of the candle is 100% mark, and the very bottom of the candle is a 25% mark. When you have a play, a period of time that your stock is going up, and it's going to have the eventual pullback. Okay, look at the dotted line on the green candle that has support and the 50% mark. When it pulls back, if it don't come down further than 50% and or 25%, it's coming back to the upside. But we focus on 50% today, okay? That's the green candle. Now, please shift your focus to the red candle. Look at the 50% mark on that one, okay? Look at the 25% mark on that one. If a play is going down, no matter if you got 3 green soldiers, you got 3 black crows, whatever you got going on, if the red bar, if the power bar, the boom boom candle makes a big red bar, and then the play try to come back up, a green candle come, a red candle, I don't care what color, if it can't get back above 50%, which is now the resistance level, it's going to come back down. Okay, listen, guys, I need to make sure in these turbulent times you are adding this little nugget of wisdom to the moves you're making. Okay, you have to be looking at the anatomy of the candle. Okay, you have to study the anatomy of your charts. The money is in the charts. Okay, so I can come on here, I can see any chart and already know what it's going to do, where it's going to go to the penny. Okay, and so the danger of that is like Reggie said, you can overtrade having that gift. It's almost like a superpower, I feel like. Okay, and so you can overtrade by doing that. So therefore you have to practice extreme discipline. But also when you understand candles, the candles is just communication tools, just talking to you. What up, cuz? Hey, I'm going down right now. All right, man, these cats fooling. I'm about to go back up. I'm about to fake them out real quick and go back to the upside. Oh, I'm going down today. Y'all got to run to the store real quick. Yup, I'm going downtown. I'm going to the grocery store. Got to stop by the gas station, get a Powerade. The candles, that's just all they're saying to you. If you simplify what's going on, get out of your head with technical stuff, okay? Keep it simple for me. You will see, oh my God, man. Number 1, be disciplined, be patient. Number 3, get on the right side of the trade. Be on the right side of the trade. If we're going down, you need to be going down for the day or sitting out until it's going down that period in that moment, and then jump back in when it's doing something you familiar with. Okay, if it's going up, that's you guys' cup of tea. You go up with the stock until it's done going up. Then it's going to come down for the day. I told you guys a couple videos ago, treat the game like quarters. Okay, like a football game or a basketball game. You got the first quarter, the second quarter, you got halftime, you got the third quarter and fourth quarter. It could be going up the first quarter and down second. It could be flat for halftime and then come out going down the third quarter and up to finish out the day. Reverse those orders, but understand, treat the game of trading that same way, okay? I got 3 stocks that you need to buy right now, okay? I'm not even playing about this. I can't even give financial advice. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I can't sit by the wayside and see you guys not become wealthy and be invested in the right stuff. Everybody, I don't care what you're doing, what plays you got, what you need to do. These 3 stocks, these are ETFs, as a matter of fact, that I'm about to give you today. Put these in your portfolio, okay? VUG. This one is sitting at 371, okay? This one is at or near the 200-day support. That is when we go shopping. So if you want to know what are those regular everyday millionaires doing, when do they buy their plays? Right now. Right now. So what is this low price right here? You need to be getting this at 371 or 368 or lower. Okay? So right now 371.10 is cool. 368 is also cool. Okay, you need VUG. All right, then the next ETF you need is VGT. Okay, the Vanguard Information Technology ETF. This one is sitting at 547. This one too is at or near the 200-day moving average. Okay, we buy our stocks as investors. We don't get a chance to always buy because we don't buy high. Okay, we don't chase, we don't have FOMO. We were the ones, I always tell you guys, sitting in the cut, sitting back like this, waiting for, they call it a crash, but investors, we truly look at this as buying opportunities, okay? We have to sometimes use that word because they're using that word, and that's the connotation you guys understand and know. But no, this is go shopping season. When others are fearful, you get greedy. That means it's time to shine, okay? VGT, this is the other ETF. I'm not playing about these guys. These are the assets you need. Whenever somebody talk about owning assets and having things that make money while you sleep, these are those vehicles right here. And then you guys already know what time it is. Last but not least, VTI, the total stock market. You can get VOO if you don't want VTI. I don't care. They're one and the same to me. Okay, get these 3. All right, VTI is at or below the 200-day moving average. That means it's time to go shopping. It ain't up for discussion. It ain't, oh, let me see if it's gonna go lower, it's gonna crash lower. Look at this, 271.75 is 274. Buy it at either one of these prices, preferably lower, and you hold this for the next 3 to 10 years. And anytime it go lower, you buy it. Okay, you buy it. I didn't retire young and early for no reason. This was one of the main staples of Coach's portfolio. This was one of the hallmarks. This was one of the things that did it. But it wasn't this price. Okay, it was lower than this years ago. But you would just, I was doing $250, $250, $250, $250 every 2 weeks. Okay, and I made it a competition. I was just making it a game. Like, let me see how much money I can get in VTI. Let me see how much money I can get in this particular play. And boom, just making it something that was fun for me, something that I could sustain. And then guess what? The stock market caught on fire and Coach's plays and assets took off. You can't compete with compound interest. It's the eighth wonder of the world, and what it's able to do for your little twos and fews, my little twos and fews that I threw in there, and how it catapulted it to hundreds of thousands, now millions of dollars. Guys, get these three. Okay, if you just trading and you not taking the money we make and putting it back into assets, you're going about it wrong. Go get VTI, VUG, VIG. Okay, these are the three you need on your radar. All right, listen, man, Coach, go get up out of here. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Everybody be in the Discord first thing in the morning. We are going to knock SPY out the park. I don't care which direction it go. We got CPI tomorrow, I think. And we're gonna crush Tesla. Okay, that's always a given. Okay, then I want you guys to go out and play the plays you want to play, and then of course we got the plays as part of the money team. Okay, we should be always getting better, 1% each day. Okay, 1%. I'm not looking for perfection, guys. I'm just looking for a little progress each day. I know it's a marathon. All right, so if we putting in the work every day, then I know you getting better every day. I don't care about no losses. It's hard in the stock market crash. So these losses, I don't even count. Any losses y'all took, I don't even count them in the stock market crash. If you lose like this, when the market is good though, you got to get a coaching call. I got to come see you. You got to come holler at Coach, okay? But listen, we're going to keep getting better each and every day. Listen, guys, make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.